And on that note, I want to comment on what Jacob Mafume is doing. I find Jacob Mafume to be somebody who is playing to the politicians' gallery, and he is going out of hand, trying to please the Mnangagwa regime should have a limit. If Jacob Mafume is genuinely concerned about noise that churches are making to citizens, he should have first of all stopped Muslims from publicizing their prayers through their public address systems at every masjid. And until he is able to compel Muslims that when they do their prayers, their sound should not come out of their mosque, we will continue to say he is not interested in limiting noise pollution. He is attacking the church. We see pastors even in England.
Yes.
They harass street evangelists, but they leave noise coming out of Muslim mosques everywhere. And nobody says. If the Muslims are having their prayers are for the people inside the mosque and not for the whole city.
Okay.
Why should we hear the noise of Muslim prayers in the center of Nairobi? The Muslims are doing evangelism using those prayers which are broadcast outside.
Yes. Yes.
And nobody has condemned that.
Yes. No.
And you are saying people who are doing their church services, they are making noise. No. We want to warn Mr. Jacob Mafume to know his place.
Okay.
This has happened before. Don't be overzealous for nothing. This will come to pass. And do not provoke God. He will shorten a lot of things in your life. And it will not only be your height to worry about. Why are you so against the church? How can a Zimbabwean government ask the people to do soundproof installations in church buildings with the current state of the economy? Where will churches get the money to do soundproofing when the government is so broke it can't build hospitals?
Yeah.
When the state is so broke that they want to tax a villager because he owns a goat. The government wants to tax goats in the village. This is what they are calling the intelligence of Mthuli Ncube. Bleeding and squeezing the ordinary citizen to sponsor the extravagance of the state. Our government is so extravagant. It's like the government of Ahasuerus, which throws a party every day. The difference is the Ahasuerus government was truly rich and the people were not starving and dying in hospitals. If you don't have money to equip the hospitals, where do you expect ordinary poor people in locations to build church buildings with soundproof installations? Installing soundproof on a building may be more expensive than the building itself.
Yes.
The equipment is expensive. In the spirit of that, if Mafume is genuinely concerned about noise, then there must be no rally that is held outside the building. Because an unjust law is no law at all.
Yes, yes, yes.
If the city of Harare manages to pass a bylaw that criminalizes noise in church buildings, the same city must criminalize political rallies.
Yeah.
Because we also hear noise from the streets where political people are marching to political rallies,
Yes.
blowing whistles and vuvuzelas, celebrating their political candidates. We are troubled by noise from political rallies that are held at growth points, football stadiums. The city must criminalize any form of noise.
Yes.
If this law is to be really a law to obey.
Yes.
By coming up with these inventions, Jacob Mafume is declaring himself to be an enemy of God. And we speak here, we are not like the charlatans
Yes.
who patronize the word of God to get political favors. We have never received political favors. We are 13 years old right now.
Yes.
We have never received a cent from any government. No. Neither have we received a piece of land from the government. And we do that because we don't want our free speech to be moderated by a system of patronage. We don't want to compromise the integrity of the voice of the church. We don't want to owe politicians any favors. And we have said a lot of things that have come to pass as well.
Yes.
It's only that our people have a short memory. This is a warning to Jacob Mafume. I'm warning you, don't dare God. You will pay the price, and others will stand on your grave and learn from your downfall. The authoritarianism of the regime should not come into the church. Go and find out what happened to Uzziah. When Isaiah said in the year that Uzziah died, go and find out what had Uzziah done for God to punish him.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Kana mati machechi ari kuita noise, isu tiri kuti mapolitical party anoita noise futi. Mutemo wenyu kana mazouisa. Hatisi kuda kuzonzwa zvichinzi pakaitika rally yakaitirwa panze. Hatisi kuda kuzonzwa kunzi pakaitika show ikaitirwa panze. Hatisi kuda kuzonzwa kunzi pakaitika gala ikaitirwa panze. Let everybody do whatever he does inside a soundproof building.
Yeah.
For that law to be fair.
Yes.
And if Jacob Mafume is honest and genuine about this noise issue, let him stop the Muslims from producing noise through their prayers every prayer hour. We hear the noise from buildings in Harare. We have never had any politician condemning noise that is produced by the Muslims.
No.
We don't want to join Islam.
No.
We don't want them to convert their prayer services into a de facto crusade.
Yes.
Why should we hear the prayers of Muslims?
Yes.
Why should we hear prayers of Muslims at the center of Pretoria, at the center of Lusaka, at the center of Accra, at the center of Dar es Salaam, at the center of Nairobi, at the center of Khartoum? Why?
And also, what about Mabawa and nightclubs? And
The BIOs make noise all the time.
Yes.
We want him, Mafume, to also order that every BIO in Harare must have soundproof. The people of Machipisa are disturbed by noise produced by BIOs. and yet he has never talked about sound produced by and noise of the beer house. This is not a concern about noise. It is a target to the church. Whether these churches are true or false, that is not your problem.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
That is our problem, is the problem of the true church. Leave them like that. Tikazoona Mnangagwa achiita rally ari panze, toziva kuti makanga musina kutageta kubvisa noise muHarare. Manga makavenga church. So church haivengwe nemunhu akasikwa naMwari. Akazosara ari munhu kwaye. Iyambiro iyi. We warned Lazarus Dokora about him smuggling Islam into the education curricula. We warned him. Where is he now? Hiding in a cave. Because you can't fight God where his operations are ongoing. We here, we represent the operations of God.
Yes.
All these charlatans may be quiet about it. We will not be quiet. We don't owe you nothing. And we don't see you as men who are honorable. Because of the way you do your leadership.
Yes.
We are not going to be quiet. Saka iwe kana uchifunga kuti satina kutungwa naMwari, ngatichisaidhetera nhasi pasi tione kuti kana akazviita zvaaroda kuita izvi zvichamufambira zvakanaka here Jacob Mafume wacho. If there are churches that are built by the side of people's residential areas, that is not the problem of churches. That is the council's blame, because it is the council that allocates church stands. Pamunisa bawa ipapo, tichada kuverenga nhano kuti kubva paBhawa kusvika panogara vanhu pane nhano dzakadii.
Right.
Tobva tati toda futi kuti muise chechi pakafanana nepamaisa Bhawa. Because chechi inoita kuti vanhu vaite vanhu kwavo.
Yes.
Vasabaya nemaBhawa mavari kupinda. Sei muchikanganiswa nenoise yechechi musingakanganiswe nenoise yemaBhawa. Hazvinei nekugadzira nyika izvi. Zvapindwa naSatani.
Yes.
Ari kuda kutadzisa vanhu kunamata. Zvino Mwari akakosha ende akanakira kuti hakuna munhu muhombe kumudarika. Mungagone kunzi madhara nevanhu kuna Mwari hausi mudhara, uri kamunhu kane zidzoro netwukumbo ndozvawakaita pameso aMwari. Saka isati kutyei sezvamunoitwa nevamwe vanhu. Kana mbichana. We are not afraid of you. And so we speak the truth to those who are in power. Stop harassing the church. There is no genuine concern about noise. BROs have been making noise for all these years. We never heard the council complaining. Political activities make a lot of noise, and yet nobody has complained.
Yes.
Yes. So any genuine concern must start with those institutions that have a reputation of noise pollution before the church came in. Let's see them dealing with noise. Tanga imabvisa noise irikuitwa paBhawa rekwamachipisa.
Okay.
Tozoti mune idi nenhau yamataurai. Musician anongoisa ma-instruments avo totanga kuridza. Vanhu vari kugara mudhuze nepaBhawa vanorara usiku hwese vachinyaudzwa nezviridzwa zvemamusician. Kanzura isati yambotaura nezvayo. Because ava vanobhadhara mari kukanzura. Chechi haisi kubhadhara ndo pane nyaya ipapo.
Yes.
Saka kana vagadzira mutemo wokurambidza chechi kuita ruzha, idzi mbavha dzakapfeka uniform yechipurisa idzi dzaakupinda muchechi dzichiharasa vari kunamata. mapasta achamanikidzwa kubhadhara mari yehori kumapurisa, mumwe achibuda mupurisa, mumwe achipinda muchechi. Muri kuita noizi yenyu yakawanda. Ndo pane nyaya ipapo. It's a corruption syndicate. They want to bring corruption into the house of God. Police officers and council officials shall be bribed by church people because they shall be coming to disturb church service. This is a cash cow they are trying to breed right now. Varuda kuti kana vagadzira chimutemo ichi, vanhu vehurumende votanga kushungurudza machechi. Anti-corruption, kanzuru, ZRP, idzi mbavha dzese idzi dzakabata zvitupa zvehurumende. Dzopinda muchechi dzoti takukusungai, pastor oburitsa mari. Kana apedza kubhadhara mari yekuchoko mumwe oti aleluya vanhu vaMwari. We don't want that.
Fingerprints of Satan.
We want to urge President Mnangagwa to clip the wings of Jacob Mafume. Muswe wake waakurebesa. Put your mayor in his place. Let him provide water, clean water to the people of Harare. Let him demolish dangerous buildings that are too old to be used by people with safety in Harare.
Yes.
Jacob Mafume should create a sewer system that does not contaminate Lake Chiwenga with waste that is released from Harare mortuaries. Those are dangerous issues that our people must be saved from. That is his actual job as a mayor.
Yes.
Mwiwa nehove dziri mulake Chiwenga. Ndo zvinhu zvinofanirwa kunge zvichiitwa naJacob Mafume izvozvo. He is failing his actual job as a mayor. He now wants to talk about the church. What a shameful situation.
Yes.
So I wanted to talk about it. Dictators always want everybody to fear them. And in the era of constitutionalism, they will legislate laws that are meant to enhance their autocratic rules. This is regrettable. When the government cannot even allow people to worship God freely, don't call it democracy. This is a pseudo-democracy. It is not a true democracy. And cry our beloved continent.
Oh, yes.
We have so many problems that need true leaders that are not attended to. People are busy focusing on non-core issues of life. Non-core issues of life. How can a mayor complain that people cannot always be attending church services? Jacob Mafume complained. There is a women's prayer, there is a men's prayer, there is a youth service. People must be able to go to work. How is that your problem, Jacob Mafume? Beer was open at 8 a.m. in Harare. Nobody has complained that people continue to go at 8 a.m. every day to the beer house.
Instead of going to work.
Instead of going to work. And now he's talking about people attending church services excessively. How is that your problem? Ichasvika nguva yatichakuburitsira zvimwe zvinhu zvamuri kuita makawanda. Tokubvunzai kuti kwa izvi zvinobvumidzwa here kuti munhu aite mangwana. Tichakubvunzai kuti kweye munhu anotumira motikari pauniversity yonomutorera mwana musikana na 10 am. Mwana anenge apedza here kudzidza. Tichakubvunzai mibvunzo nekuti zvimwe zvacho munee muchionekwa. Tichakubvunzai. Tichakubvunzai kuti munhu anomitisa vakadzi vangani ari muofisi yepolitics. Wadi kuroora kana uchida vana. Pane kuti waenda kuvamitisa. Worova vanhu kuti mukazvitaura munonyura. Vanhu vorera vana venyu vakanyarara nekutya kutsakatika. Muri kutumira motikari kuuniversity dzichinotora vana vechikoro na 10 AM. Tichakubvunzai kuti zvinobvumidzwa here izvozvo. Muri kukomplaina sei kuti church service dzawanda. Mangwana kune church service. Iko kutemberi kwakambovharwa here? Temberi haivharwe. Vanhu vanouya kana varemerwa vachitsvaga rubatsiro kuna Mwari. Kana kwaitwa mhosva kuchechi, isu tinoti sungai vanenge vapara mhosva chaiyo. Zvikanzi kuna pastor bhinya mwana kana kuti